Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So, I'm really excited for today's video, especially I found the curator art block where I'm coming up with ideas, and oh my goodness, you guys, I am so excited for today's video. You have no idea. I've been taking Skillshare class after Skillshare class on today's video. And what I mean by that is this Skillshare class finally unlocks the ideas out of ideas. And before I continue on, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Turn your notification bell on, and I'm back to my normal self. Thank you for letting me take a day off. And why is that you click on this video? Well, if you click on this video, you have found that you're in art block and you can't get any ideas. You can't get any juices flowing or anything. So let me explain how I beat art block today. And usually Sundays are my major art block days. Sunday through Tuesday are usually my main art block days. But hear me out on this. This probably is going to help me and help you as well. This Skillshare class on Skillshare, and not sponsored by any means, was like, right now with the prompts. And you know me with challenges, and we've been there and done that, and those prompts really helped me, but she's like, no, write out the prompts and subcategories, and this is what I mean by that. So, with that being said, I have a paper with a chart on it. Yes, I said chart. Don't get scared. It's a fun chart. With subcategories, what you want to put in the drawing that you want to do, like art, medium, paper, style, what you want to do a background element if you want a background, subcategory, subject, and basically in each subject you'll put, like, say I'm into portraits right now, so you put female face, old man face, old woman face, two girl faces, fantasy, fairy girl, or something that you want to draw. And the subcategory is basically an element that you put in the drawing as well if you want it detailed or not. You can decide the character to be a mermaid, you can do an elephant, you can do a tiger, you can do a unicorn, ballet dancer. Basically just listing out prompts and ideas and what you can do and your prompt list. And then background element is out in space, galaxy, underwater, beach, kitten, cafe. That was random I came up with. Pirate ship. And then art medium, you can put what your art supplies you want to use for that drawing. It's pen, ink, marker, watercolor, acrylics, color pencils, any medium that you desire. And this is the whole chart right here. And then for the paper type, I usually would go with the medium that the paper is called for, but for this one, to spice it up a bit, I put gray toned, white paper, printer paper, small size paper, moleskin, and I wrote down the prompt for that. And then style, what style do you want to draw in? Do you want to do realism, cartoon, cute, Disney, manga? Basically, these are prompts to help you, and if you guys want me to, I can digitalize this prompt list and put it on my Instagram so you guys can take a screenshot of, or I can just put a screenshot and in the end of the video or something like that as well, so you guys take a screenshot from there. But I'm going to say, okay, that's great and all, but here's the twist. You don't get to choose. Yes, the random number generator chooses for you. I had numbered all of these prompts, so basically, I'm not going to go through all of them because I've already have a prompt drawing already done as an example, and I'm going to be working on this in the video as well. And what I mean by done, my prompt was old woman, palm trees, and goldfish. I had that in separate prompt lists. And these, for each drawing, you could create a prompt list, a new prompt list, and decide which, same thing. So this probably cured me out of art block. And I'm so glad. So I'm going to show you an example of, what's her name? Whatever. Hopefully she didn't hear that. But I do have one in my art room. So we're going to say an example of, hey Google, Pick a number through 1 through 5.
Here's a random number, 2.
So there we go, we have 2. So that would be old man face. So subcategory, hey Google, pick a number through 6 through 10.
Here's a random number, 8.
So we would go old man and tigers. So that would be part of a drawing. So I'm really excited about this idea. And normally when she did it, she cut all these problems up and put them in jars. But I think that'll be too much time for you guys. And this is just an easy factor that what you could do. So I hope you guys enjoy this new technique of getting out of art block. I'm going to title this video, Don't Know What to Draw, Here's Some Tips, or something like that. And I hope these inspired you as much as it inspired this drawing. So I'm really excited because the way how to draw eyes a lot better and improving my shading and everything. So I'm excited. I'm going to be coloring the palm tree right here. So I'm really excited about that. But guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to be loving this new technique and trying to decide what to draw. So I'm really excited. Maybe this cured my art block of some days I don't want to draw. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and yeah. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to this part of the video. So I'm really excited about today's video because I've been looking for something that will get out of my art block that I've been having for a while, and this is one of them. I've been taking a few Skillshare classes, and it's been really helping me get out of my art block. And this is not a sponsored video by Skillshare by any means, but I've been trying to think of new ideas for my illustration, my creative drawings, and this is one of them. Now, for the prompt I had beforehand, before I did the other prompt, was palm trees, old woman, and goldfish. So that was the prompt for this one. So you see me coloring the palm tree here. So I did another list, and you can do new lists for each drawing you do. And I just think that this is very helpful when you don't know what you're gonna get. And yeah, so I had a lot of fun doing this one. I want to continue working on it today as well. So if you have any questions or anything like that, how I come up with the ideas, this is how. And when I woke up today, I was like, oh, I don't know what to draw. And then I remember the problem that I came up with last night with Mermaids, 2 Girls, and so I came up with the mind map, and I brainstormed everything that related to mermaids. You didn't see that part in today's video because the video would be way too long and doing that part, but this is how I came up with ideas, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below to notifications on so you won't miss a video. I was really excited when I came up with this method thanks to Skillshare, and now I'm out of art block. There's going to be a lot more videos of random drawings such as this one, and yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. If you have any questions by any means, leave them in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video as I covered in the palm tree, and the old woman is going to be in black and white, and the palm tree is going to stand out, and the goldfish is going to stand out in color pencil. I kind of had that idea from the beginning, and I thought about doing it that way. So, and by the way, my eye shading and everything has improved thanks to Skillshare. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.